up? What up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in fourth grade land, we are going to talk about multiplication, but not just multiplying little numbers. Now, that would be too easy. We're going to multiply one digit and two-digit numbers. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, please. I beg you. Have some pencil and paper ready because what's going to happen during the video is I'll show you how to do a few things, and then I'll ask you to pause the screen, have you write it out, and do it on your own to make sure you feel comfortable and confident. All right. So this is what we do when we multiply two-digit to one-digit numbers. What we have here is a two-digit number times a one-digit number. You take the one-digit number that's down here and you multiply it to the ones place up here first. So 4 times 4 happens first. Now 4 times 4 is 16, but you're not going to write out 16. No. You're going to write out just the 6 part, just the ones part of the 16, and you're going to carry that 1 over. Now, what we do after that is now that you're done, now that we did 4 times 4 here, we're going to do 4 times that 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, and then we add the 1, which is 17, and since we're done, we can write out 17. So the answer is 176. And you might be like, whoa. What did we just do? I am confused. Let's do it again, and maybe it will be less confusing. 8 times 19, or 19 times 8. It doesn't matter how you read it, you do the same thing. You do 8 times 9 first in the ones column. 8 times 9 is 72. So you write out just the 2 part of 72 and carry the 7. Okay, so whenever you multiply the first two numbers, you write out the ones digit and then carry the tens digit. So 9 times 8 is 72. Write out the 2, carry the 7. Now we do 1 times 8, which is 8. Keep the number in your head. And then 8 plus 7 is 15, and you write out 15. So the answer is 152. Okay, let's do it again. Go to the ones digit. 6 times 8 is 48. So you write out the 8, the ones digit, carry the 4. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write out the 10. The answer is 108. All right, so kind of tricky. If you're not sure what we did, go back and watch it again. Okay, hit the rewind button, watch it again. You're going to multiply your number to the ones digit. Okay, write out the ones number, carry the tens number, multiply it again, and then add that extra number. So try it. If you feel like you understood what we did, try it and see if you're right. So freeze the screen. Try these out, see if you're right. If you're not sure, then watch how I do it and hopefully it clicks a little bit. So give it a shot. All right, let's try this guy out. We have, in the ones column, we have 7 times 2, which is 14. So you're going to write out the 4 in 14 and carry the 1. Now let's go to the next number and do it again. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Write out 15. Okay, let's go over here. 8 times 5 is 40. So you write out the 0 in the 40 and carry the 4. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. The answer is 490. Okay, pretty intense stuff. Now we go on to double digits times double digits, and things get a little bit more challenging. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to focus on the ones digit here. So we have 35 times 97. 35 times 97. Look at the ones digit. Look at the 7, look at the 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So drop down the 5 part of 35 and carry the 3. Okay? Now we do 7 times 3, which is 21. And 21 plus 3 is 24. So you write down the 24. We are not done. If you have a second digit down here, this is what you do. You attach a 0 for every extra digit that you have here and do the same thing again. Okay, so now I'm focusing on the 9. I have a 0 there. Since this is the tens, I'm going to put the 0 there, showing that I'm working with the tens now. And then I'm going to do the process again. 9 times 5 is 45. So you write down the 5 and carry the 4. So this 3 is gone now. I don't need that 3 anymore. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 4 is 31, so you write down the 31. Notice how I'm lining up the numbers perfectly in order. Why is that? Because the next step is going to be me adding these two numbers that I just got. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 is just 3. 1, 2, 3 digits, put a comma there. My final answer is 3,395. I just did a lot there. So if you're like, that was too much, watch me do it again, right? And hopefully it clicks. So watch me do it again. So I have 36 times 20. 36 times 20. 0 times 6 is 0, nothing to carry over. 0 times 3 is 0, nothing to carry over, easy peasy. Now that we're done the ones digit, we move on to the twos digit and attach a 0 for that. Anytime we have another digit down here, we attach a 0. All right, and then we repeat the process. 2 times 6 is 12, so write out the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Add that 1, which is 7, and that line becomes 720. Now we add the two lines. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 7 plus nothing there is 7. The answer is 720. I never said it would be easy. I just said it would be fun. Let's go over it 2 more times before you try it out on your own. Okay? This is difficult. So this is challenging. I know this is difficult, so just bear with me. Focus on the 9 and the 4. Look at the two numbers on the right. Multiply them. 9 times 4 is 36. Write out the 6 and carry the 3. And now focus on 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, so write out 11. Okay, on to the next one. Now, whenever we go to the tens digit on the bottom, we attach a 0. Okay, so now that that 0 is there, we have 6 times 9, which is 54, so you write out the 4 and carry the 5. I don't need that 3 anymore, that's gone. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So you write out the 17, keeping everything nice and organized and pretty. And we add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 7 is 8. Nothing plus 1 is 1. 1, 2, 3 digits, you get a comma. The answer is 1,856. Want to do it again? You have no choice. You're going to watch it. You're going to enjoy it too. All right. 4 times 1 is 4. Nothing to carry over. 7 times 1 is 7. Nothing to carry over. Now we move on to the next number over, which means we have to attach a 0 for the tens. Okay? 1 times 4 is 4. Nothing carries over. 1 times 7 is 7. Write it out. And now we add these two numbers. All right, we add these two numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 74 times 11 is 814. So hopefully you kind of picked up the process because I want you to try it out on your own. Okay, try it out on your own and pause the screen, come back and check your answers. Welcome back. Go to the ones. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, write out the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Write that guy out. Now we move on to the tens place and we attach a 0. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. We don't need that 1 anymore. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47, so we write out 47, keep things all pretty and organized. We're going to take these numbers and we're going to add them. Okay? 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. Write out the 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 53 times 95 is 1, 2, 3, comma, 5,035. Gross. Gross. Let's do it again. 7 times 9 is 63. So you write out the 3, you carry the 6. Okay? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write out the 13. Now we go to the next number, this 7. Don't forget to attach your 0. 7 times 9 is 63. So we'll write out the 3. We'll keep that 6 there. I mean, technically we're supposed to be like, you don't matter anymore. Let's write another 6. All right. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So if you're like, well, those are the same exact number. Well, that's because we use the same exact number. But what we do is we add these guys together. We get 3 plus 0, which is 3. 3 plus 3, which is 6. 1 plus 3, which is 4. And nothing plus 1, which is 1. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1. You have 1,463. I want you to try it one more time. Okay, so pause the screen. Try this one more time. See if you feel comfortable with the process. We'll check our work. We'll take it from there. All right, let's see how we did. Go to the ones. 1 times 3 is 3. Nothing carries over. 3 times 6 is 18. Write down 18. Now we move to this number, which means we attach a 0 here. 6 times 1 is 6. Nothing carries over. 6 times 6 is 36. Write that all nice and neat and clean. Add them up. And you're going to get 3 plus 0, which is 3. 8 plus 6, which is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Nothing carries over. Nothing plus 3 is 3. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, comma. The answer is 3,843. It's like I'm at a rave. You don't even know what a rave is. All right. 8 times 4 is 32. So you write out the 2, you carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Write it out. Move on to the next digit. Don't forget to attach your 0. 8 times 4 is 32. There's that 3 there. We don't need it. Cross it out and write a 3. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Again, if you're like, same numbers again. Yep, because we use the same number twice. So we write that out. We add these numbers up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11 again. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Add this up. 2,112. And there she is. I thought we were done, but it looks like we're not. Do it again. Hit the pause. Hopefully you're like, oh, I feel really good about this. Hit the pause button again. Try it again. Let's see what we get. All right. We've got 33 times 21. 3 times 1 is 3. Nothing carries over. 1 times 3 is 3. Nothing carries over. Move on to the next digit, which means you attach a 0. 2 times 3 is 6. Nothing carries over. 2 times 3 is 6. Nothing carries over. It's about as friendly as they get. You add these guys up. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Nothing plus 6 is 6. 33 times 21 is 693. That number, much worse. Much worse. Much worse. But you already did it, so, I mean, what are we complaining about? 9 times 7 is 63. Write out the 3, carry the 6. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 plus 6 is 87. Write out 87. Move to the next digit. Attach a 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Write out the 5. We don't need 6. Carry the 3. Okay. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. So write that out. We're going to add these two numbers up. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. Write out the 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. Write out the 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1, 2, 3 digits, comma. 97 times 59 is 5,723. Are we done? Yes. So that was very intense. And you may have learned some of this in 3rd grade. And if you didn't, that's okay. We're bringing it back here. All right. But that's how you multiply 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. In the next video, we're going to add more digits. Now, that's not going to make the process worse. It's just going to make it longer. Okay. So this is kind of like the beginning of 4th grade multiplication. And the next video is going to be like part 2 and stuff like that of 4th grade multiplication. So it gets a little bit crazier, but it's not the end of the world. I promise you'll be okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. I love you. Bye.